Hey, it's Getaway Today, here with your 1-minute guide to the wizarding world of Harry Potter at Universal Studios Hollywood. There is so much to see and do in this magical new land that we're so excited to finally have here in California. You'll enter through Hogsmeade, where you'll immediately see the Hogwarts Express, which makes a great photo backdrop. The charming streets are lined with shops, including Ollivanders, where you can also see a live wand ceremony where a wand chooses a wizard. There are 2 attractions at the wizarding world of Harry Potter. Flight of the Hippogriff is an outdoor, family-friendly roller coaster that takes you over the grounds of Hogwarts. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey is an intense ride in both 3D and HD. Waiting for the attraction is half the fun as you wander through the halls of Hogwarts and see actual props from the films and all sorts of magical surprises. You'll also find live entertainment with the Frog Choir and the Tri-Wizard Spirit Rally, the most delicious food at the Three Broomsticks, and of course, our favorite, butterbeer. Let us help you book your Universal Studios Hollywood vacation at getawaytoday.com or call our experts at 855-GETAWAY.